how to add or remove Google Calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Calendar app. After you click on Calendar app, click on this three line icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Calendar settings, scroll down and click on Manage Calendar. After click on Manage Calendar, you will see scroll down and Google is here. If you want to remove Google Calendar on Samsung Galaxy, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Google Calendar is removed on Samsung Galaxy. If you want to add Google Calendar, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Google Calendar is add on here. So you will add and remove Google Calendar from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove Google Calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.